Hello, how do I do my daily chart analysis of large cap stocks for swing trading purposes? We have Thinkorswim platform opens, and we have maximum daily chart open, and we are going to analyze charts of few stocks together. So the first one we are going to analyze is BX. So BX, yesterday the price went up, that's why it's in green. But by using maximum daily chart, we are just going to compare where it is to where we want to buy. So we have line straight passing by the higher lows to know where we like to buy and compare where the stock's price is right now in relation to where the line is. And I view the chart as mountains and valleys, so we like to buy around the valley area when it touch base with it and start going up, giving us an impression that it's down, going down, and start making higher lows. And right now is higher up compared to the value where we like to buy. The next one is CASY, and having this upper line here is a support line for the upside of the mountain. So we have multiple lines, but then we'll choose which one is low enough that we think there is a chance it might fall back to it, and that's where we want to buy. And it is a personal choice in my opinion. So CASY, and we have multiple lines here as well. It touched base with this one multiple times in the past few years. It has not gone back to this yet, so this one will be one that at least we'll want to wait to buy on, as this one is maybe like supporting the upside of the mountain, or so. It touched base with it quite a bit but went below it, so we are not going to work with this, but this will be where we like to buy. Yesterday though, the price went down, that's why the price is highlighted in red, and that just mean the red bar just mean the price at the end of the day was lower than the price in the morning. So the red bar the price will be red as well. And if the day at the end of the day the price was higher than the price in the morning when the markets open, the bar will be green and the price will be highlighted in green as well. So again, the price went down yesterday, but still is not where we want to buy. At this point is pulling back, but is resting at this higher up. And because we are using long up to long swing trading strategy, now short up to long swing trading strategy like we use in 2024, you can see that we bought it more around this higher line, but we don't want to do that this year. Therefore, we are not going to take any action. We are just going to continue observing it. So it might take a while before it comes back to here. We don't know, but so far it seems to be resting on the higher support line. Then so the last one we'll analyze is CAT. In this video is CAT. So CAT, we have multiple lines that we are comparing where the price is right now to, and right now the price is more so on this line, around that line, but we will prefer not to buy there. So it's going up, reach a new high, pull back a little bit. So it's pretty much this line. The way I like to interpret it is this line is a support line for the upside wall of the mountain. So it's still going up and pulling back to rest on that line and continue going up. So it's now where we want to buy it. So therefore is away from the value line, therefore there is no action. So that is how I like to analyze those charts of those stocks, those large cap stocks, when it is not in my portfolio yet. So once we purchase it, we'll highlight it, and the way we'll analyze it will be different. Will be to see, to compare where the price is to where we want to sell it, which will be when it reach a new high. So comparing the price to the previous high to see, if it's going there or if it's going in the opposite direction, and therefore if we need to buy more and so forth. So but when it's not in our portfolio, we want to buy, therefore we will be comparing where the price is to the valley. And when it's in our portfolio, then we'll be comparing where the price is to the peak, to the previous peak. And when it surpassed that peak, then we'll comparing how it did it before, if it created multiple new highs before start going down. Then we can decide if we want to stay in the trade longer. So thank you so much for your time. We thank you very much for watching our videos. We thank you very much for all your comments. And we thank you very much, you all that subscribe to our channel. I'm Afiavi Liberman, creator of Liberman Consulting L.L.C YouTube channel, and in sub.com, our blog. On our channel and on our blog, we share different ways to save money and different ways to make money to reach your financial independence, where you do not depend on an employer to provide for your family. And swing trading is one way to make money. Just start small. Once you can verify that the strategy you are using is working, is making you profit, even that just one share at a time you are buying, and which I will recommend as well, one share at a time. If you are making $1 profit after you paying the fee you have to pay on it, then you know that your strategy is working with the stocks you are trading. From that point, to increase that profit, you'll just buy more share. So that is one strategy, and that is the strategy that I like to use. Continue to curate my watch list, to have a watch list of stocks that I will just swing trade from. That way I won't have to spend time looking for stocks to buy or to swing trade, but just have a list of a certain number of stocks that I will analyze daily. Although I don't have time to analyze it daily every time, especially when I don't have cash in the account to buy more stocks, because most of the cash is already allocated to some stocks. Might not analyze the chart on a daily basis, although I will want to analyze it on a daily basis. So if you have a job and you do not have time, that the long option and swing trading strategy might work for you, because those large cap stocks, they don't fluctuate too quickly. Therefore, if you don't have time to get to it, when you get to it, it may not be too far gone in whatever position you are targeting, if that makes sense. So yeah, they are not too volatile, and not trading it often could allow you to manage it with other responsibilities that you have in your life as well. But although it'll be good to dedicate more time to it, as much as you are dedicating time to our job as well. But yeah, just take the time to continue time to time curate your watch list until you get it to a list that you are comfortable with, that works well with the strategy you are using to swing trade or to trade. And from that point, you just know that the strategy you are using works with the stocks you are trading, and to continue increasing your profit from few cents to $1 to $2. If one share give you few cents of profit after all fees are paid, or $1 after all fees are paid, you know that when you buy 2 shares, you'll have $2 profit, for instance. So, and you just know that to increase your profit, you just need to buy more share. But start with few share at the beginning to ensure that your strategy is working well with the stocks that you have in your watch list. Thank you. For more of our swing trading videos, will you please check the links in the description of this video. Thank you for your time.